welcome to Thomas Adham's page, guys. If you're not following the page, you already know you're doing yourself jealousy. It's Thomas Adham from Leidenberg, in Leidenberg. Benekan extension 6 when I do my when I'm a chuchumbing, when I skilla, when I'm a chubano, when I'm a changer, when I guys, we everywhere. Leidenberg, you already know, guys. Hashtag to Leidenberg, hashtag to my peeps at Leidenberg. It's been a minute. So guys, yeah. Today, guys, I will just be sharing on my perspective on Sino, guys. So Sino got chilled on why, like what happened, like you see. So guys, here's the video on how this thing happened, because he ended up crying. So watch out on the video.
Yo, that's how you answer the calls now.
How must I answer the call?
You just say yeah.
I said into fire.
Oh. How?
You didn't hear me?
No, I didn't hear you.
Okay, so-
There's a pressing matter.
Mm-hmm.
They say now, my wife has a husband.
You?
Yeah.
That is crazy allegations.
Oh, it's an allegation.
It is definitely allegations.
Oh, so my wife is husbandless.
No, you, your wife. So, you know, what do you, yabo wena. No, listen, your wife is your wife.
Oh,
There's no one else.
but who's now buying my wife Christian Dior now?
That was a present, huh?
Oh. I heard there was an operator there by pantry.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah. He's here now, actually.
Oh, is
He
it?
said that, bro, you need to be careful. I saw her, he says, I saw her at pantry holding a Christian Dior bag with a kuzumela.
What?
And now,
That is crazy.
now imagine after seeing that, and then I see Chiwego now on the TikTok.
No, this was a present. I hit 100K on Instagram. It was a nice celebration, like a nice
No, the
gift.
celebrations,
And
I hear them, ne? But
Yes.
who got a present now?
a very good friend of mine. We actually work together.
Ha!
No, like in terms of not like that.
No, it's fine.
No, yabo.
I will call you after now. Hey,
Don't do this to
let me
Like,
cry first.
No, stop it. It's not even like that. So now we can't have like your maybe big brother wants to get you something, or the people that you work with.
I know that it was
They
the
all
opposite
dance,
sex
you know.
gender.
It doesn't matter.
Ah!
It doesn't matter how. Like what?
Charge.
So you know.
Don't cry. It's okay.
Askies. Don't worry.
Yeah.
You'll be okay. It's life.
Open dates
It happens.
over everything.
So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. Please leave your comment and then let me know what you think. What should he do? What should he apologize? Should he go back? And is it good to be dumped this time of the year? Come on. And then the girl claims allegedly it's a friend. Come on, a friend can buy you a Louis Vuitton bag. Doesn't make sense. Something doesn't make sense. So yeah, if you guys are not following the page, you already know you're doing yourself jealousy and your friends jealousy. So make sure you like, you subscribe, you share the page with your friends, with your friends' friends, but never share this page with your ex, because probably he's gonna get jealous. If you want your ex to get jealous, share the page. Peace out.